my god, he's gonna be the fucking world's greatest stapler.
Good smile. Yeah!
Oh my god.
Wow!
You've done this before, huh? You've done this before.
Don't rip your stickers off. We'll put some cool stickers on there.
Yup. Put some new deck tape on there. Yeah.
Dude, it's balanced perfect for him because the wheels won't spin out. Wow.
Wow.
Chilling right here on the rock.
Yeah!